Greetings folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I'm going to show you guys the Manincor. This is the Domino 8 Maxi. So this is going to be the largest model available in the stack size. So the Manincor stacked models are pretty nice because they do come standard with the removable rings in the center cook plate of the stove. Now you do have an option to do either a left or a right hand vent on the stove, and it can be a top or a rear vent model, all of which is going to be interchangeable on site. So you order one model and then you set it up however you please. This is going to be the new color shown in a light blue. Previously it was a darker blue, so this is going to be a nice color change. Here we have it shown with the stainless steel doors. Now the Domino 8 has a huge viewing area, linear contemporary type of style here. Open it up and you'll see we do have a nice gasketed door here on the firebox. Inside the firebox, it does come standard with the blocker to keep your log from rolling forward. Inside is going to be the cement refractory on the sides and the rear of the stove. The bottom does come standard with the cast iron grate. Located directly below, you do have your ash pan. This is pretty decent size ash pan, so maybe every 1 to 2 weeks you can go ahead and clean it out. Below, the 8 model has a nice large oven with 4 different levels to set up your oven rack. It will come standard with 1 enamel pan as well as 1 oven rack. The interior of the oven on the Manincor line is going to be made from a stainless steel. The gasketing for the oven door is actually going to be located on the body of the stove rather than on the door itself. Your oven damper control, again, is going to be located directly above the firebox. So this model is going to be shown with no rails. Again, rails are sold separately on the Manincor line. So you could do a 3-piece rail all the way around the stove, a single rail in the front, or no rails at all. Again, this is going to be a convection style model with the air outlets on each side of the stove. This is going to create the convection air that rises between the panel, comes out the top of the stove, and convects into your room without any type of blower system. This is the Domino 8. This is the Maxi. This is the stove burning. You can tell it burns very clean, very hot, nice flame. So I hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you like our videos, please don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share them with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all of our latest videos. Thanks for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.